Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about that how to read Terraform state file just like it is a state file if you are going to make it readable. Right now it is readable, but if we are not able to see properly, so how we can make it right? So if I would say I have deployed ls, so this is Terraform state file, okay? So we can how we can do first of all Terraform so hyphen json and uh, like I will delete these first. Okay, so abc dot json. So we need to run this command, and apart from that, so that is done. This command is completed. It will take some time. This is coming in the form of this, right? So view and word wrap. Okay, so that is coming in this format. But it seems like not comfortable, so we can go catch Terraform state file, then abc.yaml. So this is the second way, and this is more compatible in the reading the format, right? Okay, guys. If you like this video, so kindly to share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.